happy Wednesday. Another day, another vlog. And right now all the roomies are not at home, so I feel like I can project at full volume, which is always great. It's quite warm out today. I just walked to go get just a little coffee, switching it up from Starbucks. Starbucks is convenient because you can order on your phone. Like, that's nice to just pop in, but every now and then I like to, you know, show some support for more of a local institution. So today that's what we did. I just got a cold brew with some oat milk and vanilla. I have definitely been buying coffee out more than usual and more than I would like to be, but every time, both at Trader Joe's or if I go to like a Target or just like right now, like I even just checked a convenience store that I thought might sell cold brew like in the bottle. I get the Trader Joe's brand one, or my favorite's the Califia one, which is what I was looking for just now. And everywhere has been sold out. Is there a coffee shortage occurring? I know there's like been some other shortages. We're having like what, like a chicken shortage? There's been a gas shortage, I don't know. Is coffee next? Is cold brew next? That's what I'm wondering. And as a result, I have been buying coffee out quite a lot. Good morning, feeling good. You may notice my eyelashes are pretty much down to nothing because of that like eye allergy situation I had going on. I finally decided that being that uncomfortable was not worth it, and we are sucking it up. And my eyelash extensions have been falling out, and we still have like a little bit left, a few long ones, and then it's gonna be like, I feel like it already looks really bare, but once these are gone, I'm gonna feel like I have just bald eyes. I don't know, because they also need to grow back out because they're a little bit shorter. So we're gonna give it some time, wait it out. I'm gonna have to like go rebuy mascara. I don't even, what's the best kind of mascara? I've literally not bought mascara in years. About to finish editing my last vlog, which is from a couple weeks ago before I went to Florida for my best friend Caroline's bachelorette weekend. I went to Florida. We had a lovely little girls weekend. It was very tame. I feel like it was calmer than most weekends I have in general in life here or wherever. And it was kind of like a good restorative time for me. So that was fun. I've been back. What have I been doing? Yeah, what have I been up to? I guess after that, I just came back, and then it was Memorial Day, and me and my friends just hung out here. I went to a Dodgers game with my girlfriend. Last night, me and some friends cooked dinner, made some burgers. Now we're just having a work week. First thing this morning, I'm about to buckle down on some emails, and then we're gonna figure out what I need to do today. I'll probably combine this with tomorrow as well. And then tonight, I have plans with Taylor. It's just gonna be a good day. Cozy in my Outcast shirt. This is my favorite shirt at the moment. You know, I love these t-shirts from Urban. I'll have it linked. So I'm on my laptop emailing and also researching. I want some feedback on something in a second, but I'm just forever someone who has 7,000 tabs open. I don't know, I have like some Brooke, some Kinsey. I have so much to catch up on. I'm planning out my videos for June and even into July. All right, feedback on some ideas. I need to do a fitness challenge video starting like ASAP. Just like an at home, I wanna try like an influencer workout, preferably only something that's like a week. Like I really liked when I did Daisy Keach's like bubble butt workout or something that took like a week or 2 weeks. And that video did really well. So maybe I'll try another one of hers. I was looking, she has like an 8-minute like ab cinch workout. I might try that. Let me know if you have other ideas. But kind of want to do another video trying like fitness influencers diets. So should I do like one of them for like a week, or should I do, I feel like no, because I don't really care about any kind of like results. I kind of just want to like try what other people eat. So maybe picking like 3, 4, 5 people to like try what they eat in a week. Or it doesn't even have to be like fitness influencers, but just trying like influencers what I eat in a day. Because then I can even do like lifestyle people. Let me know what you think. I'm thinking about like titling it if it would do better to say like fitness or not. But if you have people whose what I eat in a day videos you think I should try, let me know. Also, I've been getting in some serious Amazon shipments for a little pride party that I'm hosting this weekend at my house. It feels so good for me and all my friends to finally be fully vaccinated. So yeah, you know, nature is healing. LA is a poppin' place, or it's getting back there. Here in like 2 weeks, we're like supposedly fully reopening again. Gonna have quite a little throwdown this weekend here, and I'm excited. So I've ordered a bunch of like pride decor stuff, and we're gonna throw this together at the last minute. So definitely less prep was going into this than Coachella. It's not gonna be that standard. None of you guys even saw that much of Coachella, I feel like, because I kind of really dropped the ball on getting any kind of footage from that. But something I also want to try to listen to today or tomorrow whenever I have like some downtime and can actually pay attention. I'm not a big podcast listener because I really can't do 2 things at once. But if I'm like cleaning or anything, I want to listen to I guess this is Demi's podcast, 4D. But I love Glennon Doyle. She wrote one of my favorite books, and I think this will be a good listen. Some time's passed, a little get ready. I'm gonna shoot a quick Instagram brand thing outside. I was attempting to put these on and then realized that this pack didn't come with lash glue apparently. So put a little eyeliner, some mascara. All right, shot that. This vlog is also sponsored by Ana Luisa Jewelry, so thank you so much to them. I've talked about them a couple times before, but pretty much all the jewelry I'm wearing, I would say 90% of it at any given time is from them. So I picked out 3 new pieces. I love Ana Luisa. If you're not familiar with them, they're a sustainable jewelry brand. They offset 100% of their carbon emissions all the way from sourcing their materials through disposal of their products. I'm start at $39, and then they have more expensive pieces as well. So there's something in there for everybody, whether you want to just get some new really good quality jewelry for yourself, or maybe you want to splurge on a gift for someone. I picked out these pieces with a wedding I have coming up in mind. So if you need any gifts for anyone for a wedding or for, I don't know, accessorizing yourself, and their pieces last a really long time. The ones I have gotten like months and months ago, maybe even like a year ago, are still looking great, haven't tarnished, and they have a 365-day warranty, so you can ensure that everything is staying good. So here are today's pieces. I got 1 pair of earrings and then 2 rings. This ring I'm wearing right here is also from Ana Luisa. I've had it for a long time because I lost one of my rings I've been wearing every day recently. I lost it, I think, on a flight. So I've been needing to step up my ring game. So first of all, I just got this simple classic little gold ring. I got it in a size 5. I have generally very small fingers. Like my ring size is like a 4 3/4. So I got this to wear on my ring finger on my right hand. And then I also got this adjustable ring. You can see here in the back, you can adjust this however you want. And I think that's cute. I'm probably gonna wear that on my middle finger on my other hand. And then lastly, I got these earrings to spice up. I wear big hoops, I would say, like most of the time, if I'm like dressing up, going to dinner or anything like that. But I thought it could be fun to have something else to spice up my like day-to-day casual earrings. These just have 3 layers. They have some little gemstones in there. I just thought these were cute and simple. So here's what the earrings look like. These even kind of look like you have multiple piercings, even though it's just one. Then these are what the rings look like. So if you like any of these pieces or anything else on their website, they have so many options. You can get 10% off with the code Morgan Yates. I'm gonna have my link below. Their delivery is always super fast, and you can follow them on Instagram or subscribe to their newsletter to be in the know about new launches and sales and everything like that. So thank you so much to them for sponsoring this video. Now I am going to edit together some TikToks. If you don't follow me on TikTok, I think my username just Morgan Yates. That might be the only platform I've been able to get my name. No, I didn't even get it there. I got it on Clubhouse, which I've never used, but my TikTok username is Morgan L. Yates for my middle name. Gonna do a little bit of TikToking, and then we will check in later. Making a little pride party invite. What I usually do for all of my events is go on the paperless post and then log in. I clicked one and I like customize the invite, and then I just text it out. I just like screenshot it and then text out the invite. That's what I do for everything. So little life hack. Off to Rumble we go. It's been a busy computer work day. Now me and Taylor King, we're gonna go to the 7 p.m. Rumble class and probably get a quick bite after. Taylor! How was it?
Dude, she kicked my ass.
Okay, so Taylor and I tried to go get sweet green or smoothie or anything by Rumble, and everything was closed at 8 o'clock. So I went to a different location nearby and got kind of a variation of the chicken pesto parm. Is that what this is called? I don't know, but it's basically just instead of spinach, I get it with kale, and then instead of Parmesan, I get it with goat cheese. It is so good. I'm obsessed with it. Gonna go home and eat this. Hello, last night I ate that salad. Showered, my body was so tired. I got in bed at 9:30, I wanna say, and also took a Benadryl, which I didn't need because I was already tired, but I literally just slept for the past like 11 hours. It's now like 9 a.m. and I have risen and I feel tired than normal. So me and my roommate Maddie walked to get coffee. I got this like feature drink they had just like written on a little board. It's like, I don't know how you say it. It's like UBE. It's a type of potato. Is it oob? Ubi? I don't know. Latte with oat milk that had toasted coconut on top. It is so good. I'm kind of thinking I'm gonna have to start putting coconut in like my regular coffee. Today, first thing on the agenda, I need to submit some Instagram content I took yesterday that I didn't submit. I need to brainstorm out. I'm filming like a day in my life reel. It's gonna be different from this vlog. It's gonna be like all the aesthetically pleasing things and whatever. It's not gonna overlap, but I'm filming that, and I need to kind of like make a little shot list of things I wanna make sure I include. I need to potentially take some Fabletics stories. Once I get my like urgent stuff done, I think I'm gonna go out. I need like 2 things at Trader Joe's that I can't decide if I wanna just like deal without or if I wanna to like take the time to swing by for just a couple ingredients. Like tonight I want to make this pesto pasta, and I think to put burrata on top, so might go there because I'm planning to leave anyways to go get these cameras developed that I've been holding on to for a minute now. I really don't even remember what's on these, so that's fun. And then I at some point need to buy some more before this weekend because I want to get Pixar a little party as well. I've never done this. This is my first time going to get these developed. I need to like Google. I don't even know where to go or how long it takes. I'm having some random thoughts. I thought I would have showered by now today, but apparently not. I'm having random thoughts about, I want feedback and what you would do if you were in this situation. So basically, well, there are a lot of variables at play here. What made me start thinking about what I'm about to say is the weather's getting so hot here in LA, like during the day, whatever. I was thinking about how nice it would be in the summer to be able to like grill in my backyard, like steaks or burgers or whatever. Because me and my friends like to get together and cook a lot. And the other day we made burgers, but we made them like inside on the stovetop. Not quite as fun. And we have like our outdoor dining area. I currently own, which is an additional predicament that's been on my mind. I currently own like our outdoor dining set, like the table and chairs, as well as like we have a big couch and like 2 other big comfy chairs outside. I also have 2 outdoor side tables in our backyard. And then on my patio, I have 2 other little comfy outdoor chairs and like a little table. So basically I have a lot of outdoor furniture. It's like nice stuff, like most of it's from Article. I've been thinking about, in general, where I'm gonna move after this house. Like I want to stay and renew. There's a lot of complicated things, factors at play about like renewing our lease here. One including the housing market is popping off and our landlord told us that he might be selling the house. So there may be no option. And he's supposed to let us know by the end of June. So I guess we'll have further info by then. So I may be just out of luck in general and have to find a new place to move, in which case my mind has been going to, do I want like another house with roommates? Do I want like my own space? Which obviously like the rough trade-off there is that I can be paying the same amount of rent as here, or like honestly even more, and have a fraction of the space here. I'm not gonna have a yard, it's not gonna be a house. I can't afford to like rent a house I would want to rent in like an area I would want to rent without roommates. So I'm like, I've been thinking like, okay, well, what are my like biggest values and priorities right now? Like, do I value having like all the big space and like the outdoor stuff, and like I love the living situation here, and like in general, where in the world am I gonna find another room like this? Like the master setup, like big room. This is like the nicest place I've ever lived, with like the closet and the bathroom, and I have gotten so spoiled here, which like I knew was a risk of moving here, because I was like, how in the world am I gonna keep this up like after living here? I'm like, what do I value? Do I like, would I rather live with a bunch of roommates and like try to get like some other setup that may or may not even be as nice as this? Or do I value like my own space and like alone time and being able to like have as like people over whenever I want without feeling like I'm in anyone else's way? And like, do I value like quiet during the day and being able to like vlog and feel like no one can hear me? And like, I feel like work-wise, I would do better like in my own space. I can definitely tell a difference in like just my comfortability level, unfortunately, with like filming and vlogging, and like feeling like I can like take up space downstairs and like vlog me cooking, or just, I don't know. Like, I feel like work-wise, I would thrive better like living by myself. But then I feel like social-wise, love having this house and all of this space. I don't know, I prefer this for like those reasons, and for like content. Well, I guess it's a trade-off with content if I don't feel that comfortable filming everywhere all the time. But I feel like it's so beautiful when I do film things. And then I'm like, well, how does my happiness and like own personal enjoyment and preferences, like where does that fall on either side of those things? You know what I mean? Because I just feel like there are trade-offs. Those have just been thoughts on my mind. In a perfect world, I would love to renew this house another year, because then I would have like a healthy, solid down payment for like what I would want to buy. At this point, I've realized realistically what I'm gonna end up buying is probably gonna be like a nice like new townhouse that is probably gonna be in like the 1.3 to 1.6 million dollar range, because the houses I would want, even in like non-optimal locations, would be, we're looking at almost like $3 million for what I would want. So realistically, I'm either gonna have to just keep renting or like buy something smaller, which would be a townhouse, but there are really nice options. I don't know why I'm even getting onto all of that, is because I was thinking about how nice it would be to have a grill, if you're wondering where in the world that conversation started. Or like, I've been wanting to buy even like outdoor like lounge chairs to like tan in this summer. But then I'm also thinking, is that super stupid because it's June? Let me hear, June, July, August, September, we have 4 more months. If I move somewhere next that does not have outdoor space, then I already have all this like outdoor furniture that I'm gonna have to sell, and basically was just like useless to own. I don't really want to invest in a grill and nice lounge chairs and stuff if I'm just gonna have to get rid of it in 4 months. Basically just making my decision right now, I'm probably not gonna do that, but I would love to do that. But I just wish I knew where I was going next, or if we were staying. I don't know. I don't even know what I need advice on, I guess, because it's impossible to know like what I'm doing next yet. If you have advice or you have thoughts, let me know, because these are all just things in my mind. It's now 2 o'clock and I'm heading out to run a bunch of errands. In LA time will probably take me like 2 hours. I need to go to the grocery store. I need to go to both UPS and the post office to do some returns. I'm gonna go by a camera store to get those developed. Then I need to come home and get ready. Okay, I don't know if everyone's heard, but the post office is the place to be these days. Everyone's there, the whole city. Just waiting in line for literally 40 minutes. All right, next we're going to Sammy's Cameras. And we're back. I have so many questions, including, all right, I've never done this before. As I said, I just dropped off the disposable cameras. Today is Thursday and they said it's gonna be until Tuesday. Is that normal? Who lives in Los Angeles? Is there somewhere else that I need to know about? Also, why was it so expensive? This is so expensive, I could hire a photographer for what I just spent to develop and scan all of those. Who knew? Now I know. Next up on our list is Trader Joe's. I need a couple things. Then I also need to get a bunch of alcohol for our party Saturday, as well as, yeah, probably some, well, I don't know, I'm a tequila girl now. I used to not like tequila. For years I did not like tequila and now it's my favorite thing. So I'm gonna get some of that. What goes in Jello shots? Vodka. We're gonna make like rainbow Jello shots tomorrow night. All right, now back. 2 hours was ambitious. It took me 2.5. I just now got home and put away my groceries and I bought some flowers. Look how pretty these are. I don't know what color this is. Like it's not a white, it's not a light pink, it's like a creamy color. I bought these, like the big roses, a couple weeks ago, and I also had bought like these little spray roses that were the same shade to like fill in some gaps, and the spray roses like disintegrated, they were gross. So today at the store, I just got a new pack of those and like switched them out with the dead ones because the bigger roses are still good. I think these are so pretty. I think this is my new favorite like color of flower. And then they had peonies. It's now like 4:30, almost 5 o'clock. I'm gonna do like, I need to do a quick like room cleanup, downstairs cleanup. Our counters are gross and our floors are gross. I'm going through on Instagram right now because I was going through my DMs, which I am really bad about doing, or at least bad about getting back to people, especially if it's about like a link to something, to where something's from. So I just posted a little question box for people to list what they want a link to, and then I'm gonna link them and save these to a highlight on my page. Morgan.Yates is the username. The highlight will be up, and I'll leave the question box one on a highlight as well. That way you can keep submitting stuff and I can keep checking it and then keep adding to the highlight. So I thought that might be useful to have everything in one place because I know I link stuff in vlogs throughout time, but it can be hard to go back and find. All right, I'm showered, I'm all clean. I just cleaned up my room and I'm gonna include some clips from whatever I do tonight, but my GF is coming over, who I realize I like put in photos on TikTok and whatever, but that is still something I do want to like keep private in terms of like, I don't know, having her in vlogs and like her name and her usernames. It's like 7 o'clock. I'm gonna sign off this vlog. We're gonna cook dinner and I'm gonna vlog my like little pride party this weekend. I'm gonna be setting up and stuff starting tomorrow night, and then gonna try to do my best. All right, no promises. I'm gonna do my best to vlog that, and if there is no vlog from that, you can just assume we were having just that much fun. But I do ideally want to like vlog like the prep and whatever, so we'll see, but stay tuned to Instagram for that for sure. That is all. Again, I'm gonna have Ana Luisa linked below and my code if you want to shop their jewelry. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next vlog.